Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, the global printed electronics market was valued at $9.2 billion in 2023 and is anticipated to grow at CAGR of over 20% between 2024 and 2032. The market will cross $48 billion valuation by 2032, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Growing demand for flexible and lightweight electronics, advancements in printing technologies, and increasing adoption in the healthcare sector are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on material, the ink segment is expected to reach a value of over $21 billion by 2032. The healthcare segment is the fastest growing segment, with a CAGR of over 22% between 2024 and 2032, says this GMI report. Regionally, North America dominated the global printed electronics market in 2023, accounting for a share of over 35%. Key players in the printed electronics market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.